Join me as I dive deep into the world of AMD stock and see if I can predict whether it's about to explode. AMD, or Advanced Micro Devices, is a leading player in the semiconductor industry, designing and manufacturing microprocessors, graphics processing units, and other semiconductor products. Recently, they've been making waves with their innovative products and strategic partnerships, sparking interest in their stock among investors and tech enthusiasts alike. The semiconductor industry is highly competitive, with giants like Intel and Nvidia constantly vying for market share. AMD faces significant challenges from these rivals, who have deeper pockets and established brand loyalty. Intel, for instance, has been aggressively pushing its own line of processors, while Nvidia has been dominating the graphics processing unit market. These competitive pressures could impact AMD's stock value, making it crucial for investors to keep a close eye on the company's performance. Another challenge AMD faces is the rapidly evolving nature of the semiconductor industry. With new technologies emerging and old ones becoming obsolete, companies must continually innovate to stay ahead. AMD's product lineup, while impressive, must keep pace with the demands of an ever-changing market. Failure to do so could result in a decline in stock value, as investors lose confidence in the company's ability to compete. Moreover, global economic trends also play a significant role in influencing AMD's stock price. Trade tensions, supply chain disruptions, and fluctuating demand for semiconductor products can all impact the company's financials. As such, investors must consider these external factors when evaluating AMD's stock potential. In addition to these challenges, AMD's financial reports and product launches will be crucial in determining its stock trajectory. Investors will be closely watching for signs of growth, profitability, and market share gains. Any misstep or disappointing earnings report could send the stock tumbling, while a successful product launch or robust financials could propel it to new heights. A pivotal moment for AMD was its recent earnings report, which showed impressive revenue growth and a significant increase in market share. This report was a major boost to investor confidence, highlighting AMD's potential for long-term growth. The company's innovative products, such as its Ryzen processors and Radeon graphics cards, have been well received by the market, positioning AMD for success in the competitive semiconductor landscape. The report also highlighted AMD's progress in key markets, including gaming, data centers, and PCs. The company's growing presence in these areas has been a key driver of its recent stock performance. As investors look to the future, they will be watching to see if AMD can continue to execute on its growth strategy. The earnings report also provided insight into AMD's strategy for future growth, including investments in emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and 5G. These areas are expected to drive growth in the semiconductor industry, and AMD's participation in them could be a major catalyst for its stock. In summary, AMD's stock potential hinges on its ability to navigate the competitive semiconductor landscape, innovate, and execute on its growth strategy. With its recent earnings report and product launches, the company has shown promise, but investors must remain vigilant, monitoring market trends, product developments, and financial performance. What do you think about AMD's future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about tech stock trends, be sure to check out my other video, where I dive into the latest developments in the industry.